In this problem, we are told that two villages are separated by a certain distance, x kilometers, and we are given two different speeds at which a train can travel and the respective time that the train will arrive. So with the distance being the same and the speed different, which means that these ones are distinct, then what is left for us to find is the time. So we are going to make a representation. Welcome once again to our channel. Please follow through to the end as we solve this wonderful question. The first representation we are going to make is the schedule time. So we can let the schedule time be t in hours. Again, we are given the distance, which is x in kilometers. Recall that speed is calculated by using the distance over time. But in this problem, time is of essence. Time is what we want to calculate. So by making time the subject of the formula, we have time as distance divided by speed. So the first thing we find is the time taken to travel x kilometers at a given speed, which is 45 kilometers per hour. This time is the distance x over the speed 45, and that is going to be in hour. However, according to the question, this time is 3 minutes behind schedule. That is 3 minutes late. What this means is that the time is 3 minutes plus the schedule time. The schedule time is t from our representation in hours plus 3 minutes. We have to make this to be in the same units, which should be hours. So this is t plus 3 over 60 to change 3 minutes to hours. And this can be written as t plus 1 over 20 in hours. Therefore, we can say that t plus 1 over 20, the time taken to travel at 45 kilometers per hour, is x over 45. Then we can make t, the time, the subject of the formula, to give t equals to x over 45 minus 1 over 20. This is called equation 1. Similarly, the time taken to travel the same distance x kilometer between the two villages at 60 kilometers per hour. This time is the distance x over 60, the speed. From the question also, this time is 9 minutes ahead of the schedule. That simply means 9 minutes early. So that simply means that the time taken to travel at this speed is 3 hours minus 9 minutes, which also needs to be changed to hours completely, which is t minus 9 over 60 in hours, and that is t minus 3 over 20 hours. This simply means that t minus 3 over 20 must be equal to x over 60. They are both talking about the same time. Making t the subject of the formula again, we have t to be equal to x over 60 plus 3 over 20. This is designated equation 2. Now from our work so far, we have equation 1, t equals to x over 45 minus 1 over 20, and equation 2, t equals to x over 60 plus 3 over 20, giving us a simultaneous equations in t and x. So we equate equation 1 and 2. Equating them means t cancels out, and we will be left with x over 45 minus 1 over 20 from equation 1 being equal to x over 60 plus 3 over 20 from equation 2. Grouping the like terms together, we have x over 45 minus x over 60 for the terms in x that contains the distance, and that is equal to 3 over 20 plus 1 over 20, the ordinary numbers. X over 45 minus x over 60, when worked out, gives x over 180, while 3 over 20 plus 1 over 20 gives 1 over 5. Cross multiplying this gives 5x to be 180. X will then be 180 divided by 5, which is 36. And our conclusion will be that the distance x is 36 kilometers. To get the schedule time, we are going to put the value of the distance in any of the two equations in order to get this time. Let us use equation 1. That means we are going to have t to be equal to 36 over 45, which is x over 45 minus 1 over 20 from equation 1. That simply gives us 4 over 5 when we reduce 36 over 45 to its lower term minus 1 over 20. And 4 over 5 minus 1 over 20 is going to give us 3 over 4. So the scheduled time is 3 over 4 of an hour. And if we are going to follow the time given to us in the question, which are in minutes, we can change this to minutes. This means that the scheduled time is 3 over 4 of an hour. And that is simply 45 minutes. Do you enjoy the video? From speed and distance problem to simultaneous equation, please follow us for more. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get timely updates from us, and make sure you help us share the video. See you again next time.